Elise got a new toy, and this is her playing with it. Oh, no, she's not playing with it. Elise, can you go play with your truck? What does your truck do? Oh, okay. We're going to play at the door. Open, close. Open, close. Where's your truck? Where's your truck? Where's the car? I thought she would play with her truck, but now she